Hit! Contact front!
Hi Airsoft World! Welcome to Quality Tactical Airsoft Gaming. It's me again, your friend, Jipat. And with my friend over here, Kois, Tagala, and my friend Andre.
Hello.
Hey guys, natadri sa MTS, Metro Tagum Shooters. Shout out guys! Hey guys, ito i-try natin tong Timber.
Takbo ka dito.
Timber Desert Warrior. Ayan. Gamit tong ating DIY suppressor. Gawa ng ating kaibigan. So, i-try natin siya without using air muff kung maganda ba yung kanyang putok. Hindi ba masyadong masakit. This is a 45 caliber.
Yan yun ang problema sa sa
try natin siya shoot 3 rounds. And i-try din natin siya na wala tong kanyang suppressor. Shooting with the suppressor, 3 rounds. And shooting without the suppressor, another 3 rounds. Okay, load and ready. Guys, firing! Okay, try naman natin na walang suppressor.
Hop, anak. Pasok. Oh, anak. Hit. Hit. Okay. Kani. Untay bala.
Ito guys, try natin tong TAC Ultra Rock Island 9mm caliber. Firing. Natin ang standing, kneeling, prone position with coils divide.
Contact front! Wow, nice. Okay, sit up. Yan. Irat-rat mo ha. Pak. Tirahin mo yung bakal. Contact front! Okay. Release magasin. Kasa. Clear.
Okay. Shooter, are you ready?
Ready.
Stand by. 91. Last. Stand by. 94.